Managing sales teams in TeamGate CRM can significantly streamline your processes, but many users overlook some key features that could boost efficiency and sales. Let's dive into how to effectively manage your sales teams using TeamGate so you get the most out of the software. First off, TeamGate offers a solid foundation for managing leads and tasks, but one of its strongest features is the sales pipeline. It allows you to visualize the entire sales process from lead capture to closing, giving your team clear guidance on what needs attention next. However, without proper organization, you can easily miss opportunities. That's where using customized stages comes into play. This feature enables you to tailor the pipeline to fit your specific workflow and ensures that your team stays aligned on the status of each lead. Next thing, let's talk about task management. TeamGate lets you assign tasks to specific team members, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. You can track tasks in real time and get updates on completion. But here's the kicker: the interface isn't as intuitive as it could be for some users. While it's functional, you might find yourself spending extra time navigating between screens. That's something to keep in mind when comparing it to other CRMs that offer more streamlined task management. The fourth thing I want to highlight is TeamGate's reporting and analytics tools. These are vital for tracking team performance, sales trends, and conversion rates. TeamGate provides basic reports, but if you need deep customization or predictive analytics, you'll find the features somewhat lacking. It's good for day-to-day insights, but it may not be enough for teams aiming for more sophisticated data-driven decisions. Now, another important feature to consider is TeamGate's communication tools. You can send and receive emails directly within the CRM, which helps centralize communication. This is great for avoiding fragmented conversations, but again, the integration with other tools, like phone systems or third-party chat apps, isn't as seamless as what you might get with other CRMs. Moving on, we can't forget about TeamGate's automation features. Automating tasks like follow-ups and email reminders can save your sales team a lot of time. But if you have complex workflows or need multi-step automations, you may find TeamGate's automation options a bit restrictive. Other CRM systems might offer more robust workflows, which could be a better fit depending on your needs. Finally, let's talk about pricing. TeamGate is generally considered affordable compared to other CRM options, but it's important to evaluate if the features match what you're paying for. Some users report that they end up outgrowing TeamGate's basic plan, pushing them to look at alternatives with more scalability. Before I wrap up, let me tell you something you don't want to miss. While TeamGate can handle basic sales management, I found some great alternatives that do a better job at meeting the goals of managing a sales team. These options come with free trials as well, so you can test them risk-free. If you want to get the best deal, I've partnered with these companies to offer exclusive and extended free trials for our viewers. You'll get access to these amazing alternatives through the link in the description, solutions that can help your sales team scale efficiently. Check them out and experience the benefits for yourself. Make sure to click that link for an exclusive offer that's only available to our viewers.